Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the managing director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing the legality, if any, of pornography in Thailand. And spoiler alert, yeah, pornography is manifestly illegal in Thailand. This can be especially the case where you're talking about the production of pornography in Thailand. Now, Thailand is, I don't know how to put it. It's very conservative, but it's also very tolerant in many ways. And pornography is a good example of something where, you know, if it's just out there sort of in the ether of the internet, you know, I don't think a lot of Thai officials are going to go out of their way, although many websites do get blocked, but they don't really go out of their way to sort of scourge the internet for anything that remotely resembles pornography and stop it from, you know, being seen in Thailand. That doesn't really seem to be the main impetus behind sort of the policy decisions and the enforcement decisions made within law enforcement on the issue of pornography. Now, that being said, production is a very different matter, and I thought about making this video after reading a recent article from ASEAN Now, that's ASEANnow.com. Article is titled, "Big Joke Flies In, 4 Cops Arrested for Taking Million Baht Bribe to Allow Chinese Gang to Film quote-unquote live erotic shows at resorts." Quoting directly, Daily News reported that the charismatic cop, Police Lieutenant General Surachat Hakpan, known universally as Big Joke, flew into Chiang Rai in the north of Thailand yesterday, where he announced the arrest of 4 officers in the Royal Thai Police. The officers took bribes to turn a blind eye to the operations of a Chinese-led gang filming sex shows at 2 resorts in Muang District earlier this year. Yeah, if it doesn't put a fine enough point on it for people with regard to the issue of production of this kind of material, note again, just to quote, where he announced the arrest of 4 officers in the Royal Thai Police. So police arrested some of their own, for lack of a better term. They arrested folks within the police department over this issue. You know, again, pornography in Thailand is strictly illegal. And as I said before, while it's not condoned, there's not this major move that I've ever seen. Yeah, they block websites and things from time to time, but there's not this major move to like root out every porn website and keep it from coming on the internet. That, one, I don't think there's the resources there, and I doubt also there's really the will to do that. But that being said, for production and where a quote-unquote gang comes into town to produce that kind of material, yeah, you're going to see problems with respect to Thai law enforcement. So for those who are sort of unaware of this, yeah, it's really not a good idea to come to Thailand, as evidenced by this article, and I urge those who are watching this video to go check that article out. But yeah, it's really not a good idea to come to Thailand and engage in the production of pornography.